the company had sent me these Christmas light clamps. And what this is you can do these a lot of different ways and everything. And if you can see this, that's what it looks like. So you can run your wire through this round deal, and it does have an opening right there, or just hang it over that right there, and then it spreads open to be able to see whatever, or hook onto whatever you want to hook onto. And they come 100 in a package, or that's what I ended up with. And I'm going to show you what we did. Now I've got my lights running all the way around here, and I've got these clips like that. See, I've got it running. Let's see if I can swing it around here. I've got it running through that one right there, the one that's enclosed, and then it just hooks over that bar. Now I'm going to show you. I have one right here. I'm going to put it on, and all I have to do is push it, and it's on there. Now you can do this in a number of different ways. So you can use it stringing around your house. If you have a gazebo like I do, you can put it on. Anything that you can clip that to, you can run those lights. And as you can see with the finished product right here, I've got my lights strung all the way around here, and they're pretty even being able to do that. So this is a small product, but it really is going to make things easier from now on. You get ready to take it off, just pull those off, and that's it.